Yeah.
This is a Mood Swing exclusive.
What is yours? Yeah. Notice that some niggas is gonna hate, so that's more enough reason for you to get this cake. Sideline players is mad, so they gotta wait. I'm straight, using marijuana to escape. I'm fried. Niggas wonder why I get so high, they blind. Get too close to the sun, I'll probably rise. Maybe not on your watch, but I did it on time. Word to my true niggas who understand why. Always keep my cool when the world is so cold. I never fold, defeat Goliath from blow to blow. No Pinocchio, my nose is so short, so no lie, my nigga, it's about time. Hip hop without eyes, like beats with no rhymes. Don't touch mine. Fill the rap with every punchline. It's crunch time. Best believe I'ma have a bite. Sense the truth for every single word that I write. Right. I know we got a long way, but I ain't got no time to waste. I ain't playing with these whole studio. Got shows, got drove, got money to blow, but I ain't got no time to waste. Change, ain't nothing stay the same. It'll happen to any nigga in pain or even when he's on his high. R.I.P. to my little homie Gene, for you I ride. All cried out, it's life, man, I can't stress it enough. Cause if I was in your shoes, maybe I wouldn't feel that love. Sometimes I don't. Jealous bitches put up a front, I can see past it. Give the real what they really want. Getting high while I breathe in this blunt. Stray away from feds, cause a nigga like me don't look good in cuffs. Proceed to promote and create my records. Shit, the gang I'm reppin', man, we all have records. This ain't no Crips or the Bloods, just honoring green. If I don't fuck with you like that, then why you bothering me? I'm bout it if cheese is involved with the scheme. Plan, plot, strategize, panic, rapping guys, throwing shots at my bulletproof padded rhymes. I don't feel that weak shit. Fuck nigga, better flee quick. Exit out like a bomb threat. You on dick, little nigga, while I'm on next. Yeah, I know we got a long way, but I ain't got no time to waste. I ain't playing with these whole studio. Got shows, got drove, got money to blow,